Hey everybody, welcome to Click 3D. This is the program where we talk about photogrammetry and how you can use a digital camera and some software to create some realistic looking 3D models. So you'll see that there are a number of points that it was able to reconstruct on the surface of the cartridge case head. Now, it's not really dense, and this is usually the point at which you can get a first indication as to how well your model is reconstructing. So I can tell already when I start looking around that it's not that great. So the first thing is the sparse reconstruction, and when you run it through here, you'll notice that it did a really good job of the sparse reconstruction, and it also reconstructed part of the background where the wooden block was. Now, one key point here is that the wooden block and the head or the top surface of the cartridge case head have to sort of be in the same plane. It wouldn't help me a lot if the cartridge case was sticking far out from the block, because that would just give me a blurred background. So make sure that they're sort of on the same level, and that's one of the, I guess, limitations depending on the type of object that you're going to be doing here. But the sparse reconstruction looks really good. I can see that there might be a little bit of noise, but way better than what I had before. It seems a lot crisper.